Maybe friends accidentally delete important files on a computer or laptop, and friends are confused about how to restore the deleted files to be recovered or restored. In general, most computers or laptops use the Windows operating system, and usually when we delete a file on Windows, the file will be stored first in the trash or recycle bin. So, if you delete a file, try to check in the recycle bin whether the file you deleted earlier is in the recycle bin. If so, friends can restore the file by right-clicking on the mouse on the file we want to restore. Then click Restore. The file will automatically disappear in the recycle bin and will appear in the folder where we last saved it, for example on the desktop. So how about friends? How easy is it? That's the way to recover deleted files on a Windows computer or laptop. Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all my friends.